Hello everyone, and welcome back to Coded by Jade. In this video, I'll be giving you a summary of some of the natural language processing features announced by Apple in the WWDC21 and Google in their 2021 I/O event. First up is Google's Lambda, which aims to make conversations with AI systems more natural and conversational. I think Lambda has the potential to help people who live alone, for example, as well as the elderly. Lambda also has the potential to help make chatbots more reliable and able to relay useful information to help improve online customer service experiences. Next, Apple has come up with a competing product for Google Lens, Live Text. Both apps allow users to access text from a range of media, from photos and screenshots, and can help users search for basic information from photos, such as the breed of a dog. I think both applications are quite a nifty mix between natural language processing and computer vision, and this can help improve the day-to-day activities for users. For example, students will need to recopy notes from pictures of textbooks and whiteboards in lectures, as they can scan the relevant photos and extract the needed text. It also helps tourists translate signs in a foreign country to help them navigate that country more easily and therefore improve traveling experiences. macOS is now getting the Translate app. It lets users translate typed or spoken text, as well as being able to translate text into images. Additionally, although it's more of a pattern recognition application, users can now practice handwriting in another, more character-based language, such as traditional Chinese, with the help of an Apple Pencil, helping users with their language learning. Google constantly aims to improve its search engine functionality. They hope that the new Multitask Unified Model, or MUM, will help achieve this and help close the gap between expert human advice and that of its search engine. It claims that it is 1,000 times more powerful than BERT, its previous flagship NLP model, being also built on a transformer architecture. Being multimodal, it can understand information across text and images as are present, and plans to expand this to video and audio. MUM can also be used to help remove the language barriers of resources, allowing you to access resources written in a different language and translates those resources for you into your desired language. I really hope that Google is able to continue this natural language processing field of research, as using NLP to reduce language barriers is an area that I'm really interested in. On a final note, Google invests a lot of time and research into machine learning and artificial intelligence. To help with this field of work, Google have announced their later Tensor Processing Unit, the fourth version of its kind, with the aim of speeding up machine learning training on the Google Cloud platform. This is great news for developers who make use of Tensorflow to help speed up their machine learning workflow, allowing enterprises to keep up with the growing machine learning demands. So, that was a quick summary of the latest NLP features Apple and Google have in the pipeline. Let me know what your favorite new features were, either from both or one or the other of these events. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to be the first to see the latest content of this channel. Until next time, bye.